A Navy squadron coming home safely would be reason to celebrate any time. But there was even more excitement in the air as the VAQ-132 Scorpions, who made history when they deployed with the new EA-18G Growler aircraft in late 2010, arrived home at Naval Air Station Whidbey Island in Washington.
Well, we accomplished a lot. First deployment of the Growler, of course.
Friends and family showed up at the Naval Air Station with banners, balloons, and bouquets, anxious to welcome their loved ones home. They no doubt closely followed the news out of Libya during the Scorpions deployment.
We supported 3 separate operations with New Dawn in Iraq, and then Odyssey Dawn and Unified Protector in Libya. And so halfway through our first deployment, we picked up and left and took all the jets over to Italy, and we were flying out of there.
The Boeing-made Growlers are the electronic attack variant of the Super Hornet and are replacing the Navy's Prowler fleet. Back in St. Louis, where those Growlers are built, the Boeing team showcases a special souvenir from the VAQ-132 deployment. F-18 and EA-18 Programs Vice President Mike Gibbons says he and his team are honored to support the warfighters.
From just a few years ago when we started the development till now, we hit the aggressive schedule that was originally outlined for us, and we hit initial operating capability in 2009, which was always the plan, to ready for tasking and immediate deployment in 2010. I've been very fortunate recently that I've talked to some of the squadron leaders who've been recently deployed with the Growlers that are new to their squadrons, and they are so excited about the capabilities of this jet. They are so excited about the readiness and reliability they get. It was just an honor to represent Boeing in the discussions with them, and to hear their excitement about what the capabilities and really how this will be almost a change agent for them as they operate in the future.
Before landing in Washington, the Scorpions made their first stop in the U.S. at Joint Base Andrews in Maryland, and Commanding Officer Jeff Craig shared his thoughts on the new Growlers.
Everybody is excited, obviously. Having not only transitioned first, but also deployed first, everybody in the squadron is extremely excited to be able to use the airplane to do what it does best, fly and fight, and we're just extremely excited about having the opportunity to do it.
That said, Commander Craig still had work to do, ready to focus on a new mission of sorts.
Hug my wife and kids.